Hey YouTube, I wanted to show you my brand new airsoft gun. It came a couple of days ago, but I haven't done a review about it. I'll do it on the weekend. Don't worry. Don't worry. But here it is. Here it is, the tacr71. Kind of awesome. Silencer. Holds around 500 rounds. Pretty cool. Shoots full automatic and semi-automatic. Oh, by the way, if you want to know what it sounds like on full automatic, here we go. Yeah. It is absolutely amazing. So I'll do a review about that on the weekend. But for now, that was my new airsoft gun. See ya.